Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
We are fine, and you?
Fine, thank you. Today we shall discuss a story from 8th class English, and the name of the story is The Missing Ring. Could you understand? What did I say? The Missing Ring. Main lesson, The Missing Ring. Could you understand? So, this is a pre-reading session. You must have heard, ତମେ ଶୁଣିଥିବ or read, ପଢ଼ିଥିବ. The story is about ବୀରବଲ. ବୀରବଲଙ୍କ ବିଷୟରେ ଗପ ଶୁଣିଥିବ କିମ୍ବା ପଢ଼ିଥିବ. A wise and clever man. Who was a wise and clever man? ବୀରବଲ was a wise, ଚତୁର. ଜ୍ଞାନୀ ଏବଂ ଚତୁର ଲୋକ. Wise means ଜ୍ଞାନୀ, clever means ଚତୁର. Could understand? Who was wise and clever? Birbal. He had uncommon wit. Who had uncommon wit? Birbal had uncommon wit, ଅସାଧାରଣ ପ୍ରଜ୍ଞା. And intelligence. ତାଙ୍କର ଅସାଧାରଣ ପ୍ରଜ୍ଞା ଏବଂ ବିଜ୍ଞତା ଥିଲା, ଚତୁରତା, ତୀକ୍ଷ୍ଣ ବୁଦ୍ଧି ଥିଲା. Who had uncommon wit and intelligence? Intelligence Birbal had. He was a minister. Birbal was a minister. Minister means mantri, you know. He was a minister in emperor, samrat. Emperor means samrat. In emperor Akbar's court, दरबार. अकबरଙ୍କ दरबार, सम्राट अकबरଙ୍କ दरबाରରେ ସେ ଜଣେ ମନ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଥିଲେ. Who was a minister? Birbal was a minister. He had uncommon wit and intelligence, and he was wise and clever. Here is a story. ଏଠି ଗୋଟେ ଗପ ଅଛି. ଇନେ ହୋଇଛି ଯେଉଁଥିରେ କି ବୀରବଲ ହେଲ୍ପସ୍ ଆକବର, ଆକବରଙ୍କୁ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତି. ଇନ୍ ଫାଇଣ୍ଡିଂ ଏ ଥିପ୍, ଗୋଟେ ଚୋର ଧରିବାରେ, ଚୋର ଖୋଜିବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରନ୍ତି. So now let's move to the story. Yes, this is the court of Akbar. This is the court of Akbar. Akbarଙ୍କ ଦରବାର. He is emperor Akbar. Could you see? He is emperor Akbar. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. And he is Birbal, the minister. The wise and clever minister of Akbar. This is the court of Akbar. Could understand? Okay, Akbar was an emperor, or you can say a great king, and Birbal was a minister. Very wise and intelligent. Okay, shall we move to the next page? Yes, no, here it is the paragraph. So SGP 1, that is SGP means Sense Group, paragraph 1. Read paragraph 1 to 3 silently, niravare padho, and answer the questions that follow. Akbar was, what did I say? Akbar was very fond of jewelry. Could understand? Fond of rankuna, macho rankuna, fond of fish, ice cream rankuna, fond of ice cream. Vasudeva is fond of ice cream, and Balaram is fond of frog curry. Am I right? Are you fond of a frog curry?
No.
He is fond of frog curry. So he is fond of ice cream. Right? So Akbar was fond of what? Jewelry. Jewelry means gahna gantili. Suna rupa alankara, priya loko. That means Akbar loved jewelry very much. Could understand or not? He had hundreds of rings. ତାଙ୍କର ଶହ ମୁଦି ଥିଲା. Who had hundreds of rings? Akbar had. Who was Akbar? Akbar was the emperor. Akbar was an emperor, great king, right? So he was fond of what? Tell me. Jewelry. And he had how many rings? Hundreds of rings. Hundreds is not correct. Thousands of rings because he was a great king. Could understand or not? So in which diamonds and diamonds means hira and many other gems, बहु मूल्यवान पत्थर had been set. And in those rings, Akbar had thousands of rings or hundreds of rings. And in those rings means मुद्दे, ସେହି ମୁଦିରେ ହିଲା ଲୀଳା ମୋତି ମାଣିକ ବୈଦୁଦ୍ୟ ଖଞ୍ଜା ହୋଇଥିଲା. Could understand? And diamonds and many other gems, many other gems, ହୀରା ଲୀଳା ମୋତି ମାଣିକ ବୈଦୁର୍ଯ୍ୟ ଇତ୍ୟାଦି ଇତ୍ୟାଦି ମୂଲ୍ୟବାନ ପଥର ସବୁ ଖଞ୍ଜା ହୋଇଥିଲା in those rings. Could understand? So okay. But of all the rings, ଯେତେ ସବୁ ରିଙ୍ଗ ଥିଲା ତା ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଗୋଟେ ରିଙ୍ଗ about all the rings he had, ତାଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ ଯେତେ ସବୁ ମୁଦି ଥିଲା, ଯାହା ସବୁ ମୁଦି ଥିଲା, who had, Akbar had, he liked one the most, ଗୋଟାକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲେ. He had hundreds of rings but he liked only one ring. Could understand? ଶହ ଶହ ମୁଦି ଥିଲା କିନ୍ତୁ ସେ ମାତ୍ର ଗୋଟିଏ ମୁଦିକୁ ବହୁତ ଭଲ ପାଉଥିଲେ. ଆମେ କା କଥା ହଉଛେ? Akbar. Who was Akbar? Akbar was a great king or an emperor. Could understand? It was a large ring, ଗୋଟେ ବଡ଼ ମୁଦି. It was a large ବଡ଼. It was a large ring, ବଡ଼ ମୁଦି. With a number of pearls, ମୁକ୍ତା ସେ ଭିତରେ ଥିଲା. Number of pearls in a diamond set in it. ଏ ଭିତରେ ହୀରା ଆଉ ମୁକ୍ତା ପୁରା ଖଞ୍ଜା ହୋଇ ଯାଇଥିଲା. The ring was a present to Akbar. ଏଇଟା ଗୋଟେ ଉପହାର. Present means ଉପହାର. ଏଇଟା ଥିଲା ଉପହାର. What was the present? The ring was a present to Akbar from the queen. ରାଣୀଙ୍କ ତରଫରୁ ଆକବରଙ୍କ ପାଇଁ ଇଏ ଗୋଟେ ଉପହାର ଥିଲା. Could understand? Who had presented it? The queen had presented it to whom? To Akbar. What? The ring. The large ring. And Akbar liked that ring very much. Could understand? Next, shall we move to the next paragraph? Yes, 2. At Akbar's palace. Palace means Raja Darabar. Could understand? At Akbar's palace means Akbaranga Raja Darabar. There were 8 servants. How many servants? 8 servants. Servants means you know chakra. How many servants? 8 servants. 8 chakra thile. Who looked after ଯତ୍ନ ନେବା, ତଦାରଖା କରିବା. Looked after the emperor's clothes and jewelry. ସେଇ 8 ଜଣ ଚାକର ଆକବରଙ୍କର ଲୁଗାପଟା, ପୋଷାକ, ପରିଚ୍ଛଦ ଏବଂ ଗହଣା ଗାଣ୍ଠିଲିର ଯତ୍ନ ନେଉଥିଲେ, ତଦାରଖା କରୁଥିଲେ. Could understand what the 8 servants did? They took care of, they looked after look after the king's or the emperor's clothes and jewelry. ତାଙ୍କର ଲୁଗାପଟା ଏବଂ ଗହଣା ଗାଣ୍ଠିଲିର ସେମାନେ ତଦାରଖ କରୁଥିଲେ. How many servants did I say? How many? 8 servants. Looked after what? Looked after Akbar's clothes and jewelry. Could understand? Every day. What did I say? Every day. Pratidina. One of these 8 servants. এই 8ଟି ଚାକର ମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଜଣେ, one of these 8 servants used to help Akbar get ready to go to the court. ପ୍ରତିଦିନ ତାଙ୍କ ସେ 8 ଜଣ ଚାକର ମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଚାକର ତାଙ୍କୁ ରେଡ଼ି ହେବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲେ, କୋର୍ଟକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ରେଡ଼ି ହେବାରେ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହେବାରେ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରୁଥିଲେ। କୁଡ୍ ଅଣ୍ଡରଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡ? ନନ୍ ଅଦର ଦେନ୍ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ବ୍ୟତୀତ ଦିଜ୍ 8 ସର୍ଭେଣ୍ଟସ୍, ଏଇ 8 ଜଣ ଚାକରଙ୍କ ବ୍ୟତୀତ କୁଡ୍ ଏଣ୍ଟର ଦି ଏମ୍ପରେଟ୍ସ ରୁମ୍, ଆଉ କେହି ତାଙ୍କର କୋଠରୀ ଭିତରେ ପ୍ରବେଶ କରିପାରୁନଥିଲେ। Could understand or not? There were 80 servants and they were in charge of Akbar's clothes and jewelry. One of them used to help Akbar get ready to go to court. And none other than these 8 servants could enter the emperor's room. Could understand? How can I paru nothing. One day, what did I say? One day, dine. The emperor means Samrata. I have already told you. So the emperor was getting ready. Who was getting ready? Akbar was getting ready. Prastuta to go to the court. ଦରବାରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ପ୍ରସ୍ତୁତ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି। Who was getting ready? Emperor Akbar was getting ready. To do what? To go to the court. He wanted to wear his favorite ring. Wear means ପିନ୍ଧିବା। He wanted ଇଚ୍ଛା କଲେ, he wanted to wear ପିନ୍ଧିବାକୁ ଇଚ୍ଛା କଲେ his favorite ତାଙ୍କର ପ୍ରିୟ ring. Who wanted? King Akbar wanted what? To wear his favorite ring that day. He asked one of his 8 servants. ତାଙ୍କର 8ଟି ଯାକ ଚାକର ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଜଣକୁ ପଚାରିଲେ। He asked one of his 8 servants. Who asked? Akbar to bring it. ସେ ring ଆଣିବାକୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କହିଲେ। But the servant came back. ସେ ଚାକର ଫେରି ଆସିଲେ, saying that he could not find the ring. କହିଲେ ଫେରି ଆସିଲେ and said that he could not find the ring. Could not find ହେଲେ ଖୋଜି ପାଇଲେ ନାହିଁ। Who said it? The servant. Akbar ordered them to search for the ring. ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଆଦେଶ ଦେଲେ to search ଖୋଜିବାକୁ for the king. Search for ମାନେ ଖୋଜିବା, for the ring, not king. Could understand? But it could not be found. କିନ୍ତୁ କୋଉଠି ହେଲେ ମିଳିଲା ନାହିଁ। Could understand what happened at last? The servants could not find the ring. Could understand or not? Comprehension questions, बोधगम्य प्रश्न। What was Akbar fond of? You know Akbar was fond of what? Jewelry. ଗହଣା ଗାଣ୍ଠିଲି ଅଳଙ୍କାର ପ୍ରିୟ ଥିଲେ। Could understand or not? Fond of what? Jewelry. Jewelry spelling is Jewellery. Jewellery. Jewelry. Akbar was fond of jewelry. How many rings did he have? How many rings? He had hundreds of rings. Hundreds of rings. Hundreds. Hundreds. Hundred. Hundreds of rings. Next one is hundreds of rings. Which ring did he like the most? Why? He liked a large ring most because a number of pearls and diamonds were set in it and it was a present to him from the queen. Because it was a present to him from the queen. From the queen. Okay. Next one is who looked after the emperor's clothes and jewelry? 8 servants. 8 servants looked after 8 servants. Hence, looked after the emperor's clothes and jewelry. What did they do every day? Every day, one of them helped Akbar get ready, helped Akbar, get ready, yes, to go to the court,
Court.
Next, where others allowed to the, sorry, what did they do every day? We have already discussed it, now let's move. Where others allowed to the emperor's room? Why? No, others were not allowed to emperor's room because Akbar might have thought that those 8 servants were faithful. Next, what did Akbar want to wear while getting ready to go to the court? While getting ready, one day while getting ready to go to the court, Akbar wanted to wear his favorite ring, his favorite priya ring presented by his queen. Okay, now let's move to the next page. Shall we?
Yes.
Yes. Next one is what was the servant's report? Yeah. The servant said to Akbar that he could not find. The servant said to Akbar that he could not find the ring. Could understand? It was his report. Next, what was the emperor's order? And the emperor said to the ordered the servants to search the ring. Could understand? What was the result? The result was that the ring could not be found. Could understand? Okay, now let's read paragraph 4 to 5 silently and answer the questions that follow. Yes. Number 4. What did I say? Number 4. Akbar was very angry. Who was very angry?
Akbar.
Why? Can you tell me? Why he was angry? Because the ring was not found. And it was his favorite ring. ଏଇଟା ହେଉଛି ତାଙ୍କ ପ୍ରିୟ ରିଙ୍ଗଟା ମିଳିଲାନି. ସୋ ଆକବର ୱାଜ୍ angry. ରାଗିଗଲେ କାହାର ଭଳିଆ? Like Surya sir. Could understand or not? Tell me yes or no. Yes or no? Tell me. No. Yes. Okay. Look at the book. He felt that se anubhav feel felt verb. He felt anubhav college. He felt that one of his servants ତାଙ୍କର ଚାକର ମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଜଣେ. One of his servants means ତାଙ୍କର ଚାକର ମାନଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଜଣେ had stolen the ring. କିଏ ଜଣେ କେହି ଜଣେ stolen କିଏ ଜଣେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ଭାବେ ଚୋରିକି ନେଇଯାଇଛି. He felt ଅନୁଭବ କଲେ. Who felt? Akbar. He was sure that one of the servants must have taken the ring. ଚୋରିକି ନେଇଯାଇଛି. Must have stolen the ring. Could understand? Who thought it? Who felt it? Akbar felt it. He sent for Birbal. Sent for means ଡକେଇ ପଠେଇଲେ. Sent ମାନେ ପଠେଇବା. Here sent past tense for Birbal means akbarକୁ ଡକେଇ ପଠେଇଲେ. When Birbal came, who came? Birbal, you know, Birbal was the minister in Akbar's court. He was wise and clever and had uncommon wit and intelligence. Could understand? So Birbal came. He told him से कहले व्हाट हैड हैपेंड द एम्पर टोल्ड एवरीथिंग टू बीरबल सबू जगह कथा बीरबल कहीदेले व्हाट हैड हैपेंड जहाँ जहाँ घटी कहीदेले कुड अंडरस्टैंड हु टोल्ड हुम अकबर एम्पर अकबर टोल्ड एवरीथिंग टू बीरबल
Birbal.
व्हाट हैड हैपेंड एंड आस्क्ड हिम टू फाइंड द थीप एंड कहले चोरटा टी खोजिक बाहर कर थीप मीन्स चोर यू नो फाइंड हेल्ले खोजी बाहर करिया पैराग्राफ 5 द फॉलोइंग डे ता पर दिन व्हाट डिड आई से ता पर दिन बीरबल कॉल्ड द 80 सर्वेंट्स could understand what he did. The next day, the following day, Birbal called, डाकिले, the 80 servants, आठुडाक चाकर डाकिले, who were in charge of the emperor's room, जे कि emperor room कर दायित्व रे थिले, in charge of माने दायित्व रे थिले तांको डाकिले. Who called whom? Tell me, who called whom? Birbal called 80 servants. He gave each of them a short stick. तांकर प्रत्येक जन को गोटे गोटे छोट शॉर्ट स्टिक वाले छोट बाड़ीटी देले. Who gave? बीरबल gave. And asked them सेमानु पचार कहले to come back to him पुणी आसबे the following day ता बासी दिन पुणी आउतरे आसबे बोले कहले. Could understand? He told them that ताकू कहले जे one of them had stolen the emperor's ring. कहले तम भितरु कई जने निश्चित भावे ए रिंग नहींच. Who said it? बीरबल said it. तम भितरु कई जने ए भितरु रिंग नहींच. And that the thief's stick would become longer by आउ जी नहीं से चोर ही इज ए थिप आउ तार बाईटा कौन हम गोटे इंच लंबा हो काली stick would become longer by as much as the length of the finger that night. The finger length रे गोटे लंबा हो इंच नॉट इंच ये कहले देले जन जन बाड़ी देले तमें ये बाड़ी नियो पुणी कम टुमारो आउ माइंड इट जी चोरी द पर्सन हु हैड स्टोलन दिस रिंग हिज स्टिक वुड ग्रीव लॉन्गर ए फिंगर ग्रीव ए फिंगर लॉन्ग तार फिंगर लॉन्ग बढ़ी जो इट्स 100% श्योर एंड कम टुमारो एंड द thief will be found out. Could understand comprehensive questions. Number 1, Akbar felt something about the missing ring. What was it? Yes, Akbar about the missing ring. Akbar felt that one of his servants had stolen the ring. Could understand? This was the feeling of Emperor Akbar. What did he ask Birbal to do? He asked Birbal to find the thief. चोर को बाहर करिया कहले. What did Birbal give to the servants? Birbal gave a short stick to each of the servants. A short stick. Could understand? A short stick. Okay. Stick to each of the servants. Next one is this is Akbar. Wait. This is Akbar. This is Birbal. These are the 8 servants. Could understand? This is Akbar. This is Birbal. These are 8 servants. Yes. What did he tell them about? Number 3. Question number 3. What did he tell them about the thief's stick? About the thief's stick, Birbal told that it would become longer by as much as the length of a finger that night. He told them that the servant who had stolen the ring, his stick will grow just a finger long next day by night. Okay, now let's that is SGP 3. Sense group paragraph 3, read paragraphs 6 to 7 silently and answer the questions that follow. The next morning, what did I say? The next morning, the 8 servants came back to Birbal. ତା ବାସି ଦିନ 8ଟି ଯାକ ଚାକର ବୀରବଲଙ୍କ ପାଖକୁ ଆସିଲେ with the sticks, ବାଡ଼ି ସହିତ. Birbal asked them to stand in a line. To stand in a line. What did Birbal ask? Birbal asked the servants to stand in a line. ଗୋଟେ ଧାଡ଼ିରେ ଛିଡ଼ା ହେବାକୁ କହିଲେ. Who asked whom? Birbal asked his 8 servants to do what? To stand in a line. To sit in a line. Stand or sit?
Stand.
And then why did you say sit? Did you say sit or stand? What did you say?
Stand.
Stand. Okay. Birbal asked his 8 servants to stand in a line. And looked carefully, ଯତ୍ନରେ ଦେଖିଲେ, okay, at the stick each of them was carrying. And Birbal watched the sticks of the servants he had given them. ଯତ୍ନରେ ଦେଖିଲେ, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କର ବାଡ଼ି ଦେଖିଲେ. Suddenly, ହଠାତ୍ କିନା, suddenly means ହଠାତ୍ କିନା, Birbal caught hold of one of them, ତାଙ୍କ ଭିତରୁ ଜଣକୁ ଧରି ପକେଇଲେ. And took him to Akbar, Akbar ପାଖକୁ ନେଇଗଲେ. He told Akbar that, ସେ Akbar କହିଲେ ଯେ he had caught the thief, ମୁଁ ଚୋର ଧରି ଦେଇଛି, ଚୋର ଧରି ଦେଇଛି. I have caught the thief, I have caught the thief, I have caught the thief. ମୁଁ ଚୋର ଧରି ଦେଇଛି, ଧରିଦେଲି. Who said it like this? Birbal said it. The man fell at Akbar's feet. ସେ ଚାକର, ସେ ଲୋକ ଆକବରଙ୍କ ଗୋଡ଼ ତଳେ ପଡ଼ିଗଲା. And said that he had stolen the king. ଏବଂ କହିଲା ଯେ ସିଏ ଚୋରି କରିଛି. He was punished by the emperor. Punished means you ଦଣ୍ଡ ପାଇଲେ. ଆକବରଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା, ସମ୍ରାଟଙ୍କ ଦ୍ୱାରା ଦଣ୍ଡ ପାଇଲେ. 7. How did Birbal know? କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ? Which of the 8 men was the thief? 8 ଜଣ ଭିତରୁ ଜଣେ ଚୋର ବୋଲି କେମିତି ଜାଣିଲେ? How? The man who had stolen the ring, ଯିଏ ରିଙ୍ଗଟା ଚୋରି ଥିଲା, had believed, ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିଥିଲା. Believed means ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିଥିଲା. What Birbal had said, ଯାହା Birbal କହିଛନ୍ତି about the thief's stick becoming longer by the length of a finger. ଏ ଯେଉଁ ଚୋର ଆକବର Birbal କହିଥିଲେ ଯେ ଯିଏ ମୁଦି ଚୋରେଇଛି ତାର ବାଡ଼ିଟା ରାତି ମଧ୍ୟରେ ଗୋଟେ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି ଲମ୍ବ ହେଇଯିବ. ଏ କଥାଟାକୁ କ'ଣ କରିଛି ନା ସେ ଚୋର ବିଶ୍ୱାସ କରିଯାଇଛି, ସତେ ଲମ୍ବା ହେଇଯିବ. ଆଉ ନେକ୍ସଟ ମର୍ଣ୍ଣିଂ he will be found out, ଧରା ପଡ଼ିଯିବ. The matter will come to light, ପଳେଇ ଆସିବ, କଥାଟା ପ୍ରକଟ ହେଇଯିବ. ଏଣୁକରି ସେ କ'ଣ କରିଥିଲା ଜାଣିଛ? ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି ଲମ୍ବା ହେଇଛି ବୋଲି କହିଥିଲା ନା, ସେ ତା ପୂର୍ବ ରାତିରେ ତାର ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି କାଟି ଦେଇଛି. ତା ମାନେ ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି ଲମ୍ବା ହେଇଗଲେ ମେକଅପ୍ ହେଇଯିବ. With this thought he did it, but actually it did not happen so. ଲମ୍ବା ହେଲାନି, କାଟିବାଟା ଆଗ ଦୁଇଲା. But the stick did not grow long. Could understand? ବଢ଼ିଲାନି. He had gone home, ଘରକୁ ଗଲା. And cut his stick to make it shorter. ଯେତିକି ବଢ଼ିଗଲି କହିଥିଲା ସେତିକି କାଟିଦେଲା. ମୂର୍ଖ, he was a fool. ସିଏ କ'ଣ ଭାବିଲା, ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି ତ ବଢ଼ିବ, ଆଙ୍ଗୁଠି ମୁଁ କାଟିଦେଲେ ବଢ଼ିଲେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସମାନ ହେଇଯିବ ନା. It will become the same. It would become the same. He thought the thief thought it. And Birbal had noticed that, Birbal ଦେଖିଦେଲେ ଯେ this man's stick was shorter than the stick of others. ଅନ୍ୟମାନଙ୍କର ଛୋଟ. And this revealed the fact. प्रकट करदेला समस्त घटना प्रकट करदेला एंड दी thief was found out post reading activities. Okay, we shall stop today's lesson here. We shall begin the other, we shall discuss the other the rest part in our next session. Till then, bye, thank you.
It's